So the entrance fee here per person is 36 US pennies, in case you're wondering. This is a little off the beaten path for regular tourists, so this is more of a local place, and it's a place where families can get together, have a picnic, barbecue type thing, swim in the water, and just have a good time, and it's economical. These little cottages you see are a little more expensive. They're about $7 US, and you can rent that for the day, which is cheap for us, but almost a day's pay for locals here. But let's take a look around. Obviously, this is not a theme park or any type of Western water park type thing, but it is very hot, and this is a nice respite from the heat. And you can just get in here and soak. You can see the locals enjoying themselves, and it's a nice view, and it's very calming and relaxing. It's just a nice little getaway. Well, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys like some of the views here in the Philippines. There are nice places here. Not everywhere, but there are nice places. If you followed along this far, why not just go ahead and like, subscribe, any of those fun things, and watch the next video when it comes out.